Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback for our last episode. If you're here for the first time, I recommend watching the video where we talked about how the NBA helped basketball take over the world. Now, let's test what you've learned. Here we go. Was basketball invented in the 1800s? Yes, it was invented in 1891. Did Dr. James Naismith create basketball using tennis balls and nets? No, he used a soccer ball and 2 peach baskets. Is the NBA the National Baseball Association? No, the NBA stands for National Basketball Association. Did Michael Jordan help make the NBA a global brand? Yes, he became a global icon and expanded the NBA's popularity. Are NBA games only broadcast in the United States? No, they are broadcast in more than 200 countries. Do all NBA players come from the United States? No, many players come from countries all over the world. Is basketball only popular because of the game? No, it's also tied to music, fashion, and culture. Is LeBron James a famous chef? No, he's one of the most well-known NBA players. Do young people around the world dream of playing in the NBA? Yes, the NBA inspires many young athletes globally. Has basketball helped connect people from different cultures? Yes, it brings people together across countries and continents. Make sure to watch this video more than once to reinforce what you've learned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future episodes of this amazing series about learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.